Today I'm going to replace my windshield cowl cover and walk you through step by step. First, I'm going to remove my cabin filter cover and then take out the cabin filter and removing the wires running through the cabin filter housing. And then removing 4 T27 Torx bits that's holding the cabin filter housing. After removing all the Torx bits, you can pull out the cabin filter housing and then remove the covers of the windshield wipers. And these are held on by 15mm nuts. And just to make my job a little bit easier removing the windshield wipers, I'm going to spray them with WD-40. After a few minutes of soaking them, just give it some good wiggle and you should be able to remove your windshield wipers. And to remove the windshield cowl cover, just give it a pull and you should be able to remove the whole thing completely. And as you can see, there's some dirt and debris that's been collecting there in between, and I'm just going to vacuum it out and clean the whole thing up. And there were some remaining plastic tabs. I'm just going to take them out completely and get it ready for the new cowl cover to be installed. Alright, after cleaning everything, the new cowl cover is ready to be installed. Just align all of the holes and then push it in. Alright, after installing the cowl cover, windshield wipers can be installed. And here I am doing my best to align the windshield wipers, the position where it was before, and then tightening it down with 15mm nut. Okay, after installing the windshield wipers, I'm going to put on my cabin filter housing again, and these are held by 4 T27 Torx bits. Alright, everything is installed, and this would be a perfect time to inspect your cabin filter. If it's dirty, just get a new one and replace it. And then lastly, I'm going to install the cabin filter housing cover, and we are done for the day. Oopsie, couple things I forgot to mention. So there's 2 covers for the windshield wiper nuts, making sure they are sealed, and then running the wires back through the cabin filter housing. And that is it, my friends. That is it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.